In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your cursor in Roblox on a Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how simple it is to acquire different cursors when playing Roblox on a Mac device. This will work for any game that you can join. So to do this, you need to right-click Roblox, go over to Show Package Contents. So right-click the Roblox icon, choose Show Package Contents, and now you will have to go through a bunch of folders. So first, go to the Contents folder, then go inside of Resources. Inside of Resources, you will once again find a Content folder. After this, go to Textures. In here, select the folder Cursors. So there's going to be a bunch of stuff. You will go to the folder Cursors. Inside of this folder, go to Keyboard and Mouse. And finally, you will find the files that we need to change. So as you can see here, these are the default cursors that you use when playing Roblox on your Mac or any other platform. What you have to do is replace these files with a different cursor that you want to use. There are plenty of places where you can download alternative cursors. For this video, I'm going to be using this Google Drive that was made by this person, M13S. So you can look for their YouTube videos on Google, and they have this Google Drive, or you can go through this link that you see at the top. In here, you will find basic cursors, other cursors, scenario characters, theme cursors, and you can open any of them. So let's say, for example, you want a hot pink cursor. You open this zip, and in here you will find the necessary files. Now, you don't have to download this last one, iBeam cursor, so usually most packs will not include these. In this one, you have Error Cursor, Error Far Cursor, and a Mouse Locked Cursor. All that you have to do is download these files and drop them in here. So just drop the files that you downloaded here in the PNG format with the exact name, and you will be good to go. So just make sure that you find available cursors anywhere on Google, YouTube, and other websites. Most of them will be hosted on Google Drive, and you can access any of these folders to download them. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.